Welcome back. Today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the Motorola Moto G30. Open the content you wish to capture, for example, settings. Hold the power key and volume down together. You'll hear a sound and see a brief preview of the screenshot. There's also an option to capture a scrollable screenshot. Tap the button that appears after taking a screenshot to start scrolling until the end. The screenshot will be saved automatically. Go to your photo gallery to find both screenshots. That's how you capture a screenshot on this device. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe,